I decided to bring the heat press out to my desk. Oh, that didn't work. That has to be wrapped up. This is why we wrap it. So I'm going to try something. I'm not sure if it's actually something that works. Is to spray a pile of weed before I put it in the press. Just to moisten it up. And hopefully that's not a bad thing. I gotta turn my temperature down on this. Down to 170 for starters. Mix the water in just a bit. Yeah. This is, I'm going to have to vacuum like crazy after this. So I'll let you know how this all comes out in the end. Here's a new baby. I found it with a plant downstairs, like in the soil, plant downstairs. That's where I scattered some OKC seeds so I can get more plants. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. That's gonna replace the male that I got by mistake. So now I have 4 again. It ripped. Good thing I put a liner in this one. The last one didn't have a liner. It's coming out dark, but good. Oops, hot. So I don't really want to stop. Oops, turn these off for a minute. I don't want to stop. I want to keep doing this. I got the spice mill. Grind up the weed a little bit easier. It's very dark. And now I have all these to clean up and get into the jars. I gotta stop pressing because I don't have any place to keep these. I don't have, one more. I'll do one more. I gotta stop. 1 or 2 more maybe. Because I've got the first press right here that I want to redo for first presses. Got everything ground down nice. I feel like it brings out the moisture in the wheat, and I did spray my pile with the spray bottle, just like one spray, just sort of mixed it in real quick. So just to re-moisten it, and it worked. I mean, it came out dark, but it worked. And I think it came out dark mostly because of the kind of flour I was pressing, the old flour. I got this, see how dark that is. Oh, I almost filled it up. You can see it coming up the side. This is still just keef. This one is the mess that I made where I had the ground up weed and then it fell on one of the papers. So it got mixed in with the stuff. So it's just weed covered in dab. And I put it in a separate container so I didn't have to mess up what's going on in here. So when I'm expecting something and stick my tool in, I get what I'm expecting. Got 1 empty, 1 full of keef, and then 3 have a good amount of dab. That was from doing half a jar, half a big jar. And I didn't do any of this yet. Maybe I'll dig in and see, give this one new air. See what's going on in this bag. Feels like it dried out a bit. Do these soon, but that was it hurt my shoulder to do all the scraping and all the all of it. It was like really worked the back of my shoulder there, so I had to stop. That's pretty much the process. I probably won't do like a video of it. I'll just show you that this type of grinder worked. Old dry flour worked. The stuff is good. I'm smoking it right now. I can tell how good it's gonna be when I get really good stuff, like good flour. This is all old. When I start pressing my new flour this summer, it's gonna be amazing. See you for a plant check soon.